In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to repair a exterior water spigot. There's a little leak. First step's gonna be remove the old spigot. I got my handy dandy little multi-tool. It's got a little Phillips head. Well, got the screws out, so next up, I guess we're just gonna yank it on off of there. So, next step's gonna be to get the water turned off, which like, you're gonna help me.
You try yanking her real hard yet? Where's your new spigot at? Maybe there's some instructions in there somewhere. We could figure out how to do this thing. Butch, tell me you got yourself a daggum new spigot.
I have an idea.
Okay, tell him what you're doing now, Butch.
This is how you replace your exterior spigot.
Well, daggum. Hey, watch it.
Be sure to subscribe for some
Y'all make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to fix stuff.